equipment truck. Oh yeah. What's up, man? Got all the good stuff in here, huh? Sweet. How big a tank's on that compressor? 80 gallon? What do we got over here? Some AC machines?
332A or D, which is a 134A hybrid machine. And then the big area here is a dual.
Oh yeah, it does both.
Yeah, so we'll actually have four, so we'll do hybrid on both sides or standard on both sides.
Nice. So does the hybrid have different connectors or something?
No, same style connector. So just basically, so 134A hybrid will do electric compressor vehicles with start-stop function, as well as your hybrids. What differentiates them is it has the ability to do auto hose flush function.
Okay.
So you're not swapping hoses, none of that stuff. It's all done through one machine.
That's sweet.
You do lose the oil injection option though.
Yeah, that's what our new our 1234 did also.
Yep.
You gotta have a separate little injector to put in there. Sweet, man.
Smoke machines.
Smoke machines.
5 gas meters.
Nice.
The newer style Zeus tire.
That's what this is? Oh yeah, the bigger screen for the Zeus.
Yeah, workstations, all touch screens.
Nice.
You can operate from a big screen.
You had one of these on your truck, didn't you?
Yep.
Right on. And the balancers. Tire machines. That's fancy right there.
You see the custom holes so you can bolt patterns of all kinds.
Oh yeah.
Bolts on all that.
Very cool. What do we got back here?
Thermal imager, bore scopes,
Oh yeah.
tranny jack.
I want to get one of these days. The thermal imagers. Those things are awesome.
Those thermal imagers are amazing, and you can do
Nice
all
trans jack.
sorts of inspections and diagnostics with them before you even have to plug in a car. Just by having it come up on the drive, throw the thermal imager at it.
Nice welder.
Welders on welders, my friend.
Sweet.
Battery maintainers, testers.
Good welder.
The muscle weight.
Very cool. Inductions. They got small. That's not the gas analyzer, is it?
What's up?
Is that a gas analyzer?
Yeah, fine gas.
Right on.
With a built-in wideband.
That's pretty compact. I remember years ago it was a big machine that sat on a table.
That's where everyone's just
That was a long time ago though.
Yeah, now it's all very compact.
Right on, man. Well, that's the equipment truck. What do you think?
A whole lot of stuff. Make Adam weld something.
Yeah, right?
Make him weld like his own ladder and see if he trusts his own work.
Very cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Have an awesome day.